All right, it's Monday at Emerson Global User Exchange. It's almost time for lunch, right? Okay, and we're here with Jim Cahill. Jim is the guru of social media at Emerson Process Management. Sorry about that. Now, Twitter, all of this stuff is kind of fun, but this is a very serious part of your marketing and your larger efforts to build an online community of users, right?
Yeah, I think Twitter is one great example of some social media type of applications that people can use to connect with one another. And we use it here at the Emerson Exchange. If you use this hashtag EMREX, then your tweets are going to appear on screens all around here. So it's a way to do impromptu meetups, share some things you learn with other people, and just a way to communicate, because when you're among 2,200 people, sometimes it's difficult to connect with people. So we have a sign-up station here, and we're getting people registered for it and showing them the Twitter 101 and how to get going, and encouraging participation.
Now, for those of us who are of an older generation and don't necessarily take to social media real immediately, for the process engineer that's out there that's going to be dealing with problems after this event is over, how does this social networking help that guy, that gal out there that's working with this thing? What kind of information can they get from Emerson Process Management via your social networks?
There's a number of different things, ranging from some online communities we have, like the Micromotion community, to Delta V has a LinkedIn community. So there's places online that people with similar interests can connect, ask questions, get answers, basically form a peer-to-peer network to be able to get answers to their questions. So depending on the tool you use, Twitter is one to be able to share information or impromptu meetups, but these other things, online communities. And we're looking at ways that we can take some of the collaboration and knowledge sharing that goes on at Emerson Exchange and make it broader, 365 days a year, kind of an Emerson Exchange online community. So we're continuing to explore that path, because the end result is the more people that you find that share a common interest and you have a place to go to be able to ask questions, the more you can get answers to deal with the issues in front of you.
So if I have a problem, perhaps somebody that I've met at this event, I can carry that connection back and then send an email or somehow through LinkedIn to these other guys and find out, how do I solve this problem with my flow meter?
Yeah, today you might, if you have a Delta V system, join the Delta V LinkedIn community and start seeing some of the questions. And when you have an issue, ask your question, because we have a number of Emerson people participating, our local business partners participating, and a lot of other Delta V users participating. Micromotion has a similar community for the density flow and measurement products, and we're looking as we move forward to expand it more Emerson-wide. So today there's places you can do it, but the connections you form through any of these channels, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Delta V LinkedIn groups, those are the things you can carry back and grow these communities, because they're all designed to be able to easily reach out and connect with other people that you meet.
And your Emerson Experts blog is there all the time?
Yes, that's been there now for 4 years, some 600 odd posts, and that's how a lot of people find me. They start with a Google search and it connects to the blog post, and I'm usually featuring one of the experts around Emerson, whether it's boiler optimization or batch processing or advanced process control, and people will find it and able to connect with the expert or my email and phone number. They'll connect with me and we'll figure out how we can help them with their particular situation.
All right, thanks, Jim.
All right, thank you.